Soak the seeds in water for 12 to 24 hours to help the seed to break dormancy and germinate faster. Discard the floating seeds, as they are not viable and not good for germination. Take a plastic container and place in it a kitchen paper towel or a few sheets of tissue paper. Place the seeds on the paper towel and cover them with another paper. Then spray water on the paper so that the paper towel is damp but not soaking wet. Excess water can lead to rotting of seeds. Close the lid of the box. This works as a mini greenhouse which will help maintain high humidity levels, encouraging the germination process. Alternatively, you can place the seeds on the paper towel, and fold the paper to enclose the seeds. Spray water to dampen it. Then enclose the wrapped seeds in a Ziploc bag or a polythene sheet. Provide optimal conditions for germination. Place the box or bag at a dark and warm place, temperature between 21 to 30 degrees Celsius. If temperature outside is below 21 degrees Celsius, then put the bag indoors. The top of a refrigerator or inside a kitchen cupboard are good places. Open the bag every few days to ensure that paper towel remains damp. Spray some water if it starts to dry out. Change the paper if it develops mold or fungus. When the seeds will germinate. Generally, the seeds may take a few days to a few months to germinate depending on the temperature and the quality of seeds. Some seeds are quick to germinate, while some seeds will germinate in about a week time or a few months to germinate. Now it is 4 weeks, and let me open the box containing lychee seeds. See, these seeds have grown strong roots, but no seedlings have grown yet. Now let me open the Ziploc bag. All the seeds have germinated in Ziploc bag also, then they will grow seedlings also. These are the germinated bean seeds that were left in the box for too long time, so they have grown seedlings. Planting the germinated seeds. Once the seeds are germinated, the next step is to plant them in soil. First take a small pot having many drainage holes. Prepare rooting medium by mixing some river sand or perlite and compost in potting soil. Fill the pot with this soil mixture. Wet the soil before transplanting. Make a hole in the soil and put the root in it, or simply put the germinated seed on soil and cover it by soil, about 1 centimeter deep. If transplanting seedlings, then handle them carefully to avoid damage. Place the germinated seed in the hole, covering the roots with soil and leaving the shoots above the surface. Why sometimes seeds are not germinating in paper towel. The reason may be either the paper towel is not consistently damp or it is too wet, causing mold or fungus growth. Also, too low or too high temperature will prevent the seed sprouting. Very old seeds are no longer viable and will not germinate. Advantages of germinating seeds in paper towel. There are 2 advantages of germinating seeds in paper towel before planting. First is the faster germination, because it is easier to maintain consistent growing temperature and humidity conditions in the paper towel method, accelerating germination process by several days or even weeks. The second advantage is that you will save a lot of time and disappointment when your seeds would not be sprouting in soil after planting them. The seeds sprouted in paper towel take roots much quicker in soil than by direct planting. Here are some common seeds that can be successfully propagated using the paper towel method. Vegetables: bitter melon, gourd, carrots. Cucumbers, lettuce, peppers, radishes. Squash, tomatoes, long melon, zucchini. Herbs: basil, chives, chili, cilantro, mint, parsley, oregano, rosemary, sage, thyme. Fruits: apple, avocado, cantaloupes, cherry, custard apple, nectarine, peach, plum, pumpkins, strawberries, watermelons. Flowers: alyssum, cosmos, daylilies, marigolds, nasturtiums, pansies, petunias, poppies, sunflowers. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.